Hello everyone. Today I will introduce Convert to TIFF function in LiDAR360. You can find this function in Tools page under Point Cloud Conversion drop-down menu. Click to open it. You can also directly search for Convert to TIFF in the toolbox and open the tool. In the pop-up window, first, select the point cloud files you want to convert. You can choose either a single file or multiple files. Then, confirm the X size and Y size, which represent the resolution of the point cloud data. In the Attribute drop-down menu, choose the method for generating raster data. In the Cell Value drop-down menu, select how to fill the raster pixel values. For example, setting the Z value will generate raster data similar to a DEM, or setting the RGB values will create data similar to an orthophoto. If you select a non-RGB attribute, you can choose different color mappings according to your needs. After completing the settings, you need to set the output path for the newly generated raster. Once all settings are done, click OK to complete the conversion from point cloud to raster. That's all for Convert to TIFF function. Thank you for watching.